Oxidation starts with exposure to the elements. Sun combines with rain, catalyzing the reaction, causing metal atoms at the surface to bond with oxygen in the air, forming the dull white layer, which will continue to build up over time. Other cleaners simply try and remove the layer, which will temporarily fix, but not solve your problem. All New actually breaks the bond of the aluminum oxide layer, which will remove and protect the underlying metal with a water-resistant coating, helping to repel moisture and prevent further oxidation of the surface.